Exercise 1 in our leg workout is the seated leg extension. Now there's 3 different parts to our leg extension that we want to focus on. Our feet straight, our feet out, and our feet in, aiming for 3 parts of our quads. As you can see, each time I change my foot position, a different part of my quad will work. Exercise 2 in our leg workout is a closed stance hack squat. We want to engage our glutes, engage our quads, keeping our core engaged, with our head up, chest up, slowly down. And we want to focus on pushing through with our quads and squeezing at that top point.